येवपी लोकसभा वेंचणुकेत उत्तर आणि दक्षिण गोंयांतल्यान काँग्रेसूच जिखतली असो विश्वास काँग्रेसीचो प्रदेशाध्यक्ष अमित पाटकरान उक्तायलो. बेरेस्तारा पाटकर आणि विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमांव आणि काँग्रेसीच्या आमदारांनी कर्नाटकांतल्या काँग्रेसीच्या फुडाऱ्यांची भेट घेवन गोंयांत आयले. ताच्या उपरांत विमानतळाचेर पत्रकारांनी विचारिल्ल्या प्रश्नांची जाप दितना पाटकर उलयतालो.
आम्ही बेंगलोर गेल्ले, सो वी हॅड गॉन कर्टसी टू मीट आवर लीडर जे कोण आशिल्ले तरी ऑफिशियली वी हॅड नॉट हॅड गॉन टू मीट.
सर तुम्ही आता कर्नाटकान देखील शिवकुमार जे आसा ते डेप्युटी मिनिस्टर महायुतीचेर कितें डिस्कशन जाल्लें आसा?
See, he's a party president, I'm a party president, so we had gone there as a courtesy visit to wish him. He's the chief minister also. So we met other ministers like Dinesh Gundurao, we met the PWD minister. So purely just for after the win we had not gone there to congratulate. We went and we congratulated. Because Karnataka win has given a boost to the country, and I think a new way for 2024 is set. I think if you see there are 3 states which are going to come for polls: Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and Chhattisgarh, and also Telangana is going to for polls. So I have a strong feeling that Karnataka is opening, and Karnataka will pave way for 2020. See, South MP discussion असे आमचे preparations have already started. Elections are less than 1 year time असा. So we have geared up. You will see a lot of positive things in coming days. One thing I can assure for the people of Goa that Congress party is going to win both the Lok Sabha seats. You will see in days to come.